If you've ever had to replace your siding or build a new home, you probably realize something real fast. There are a lot of options. Vinyl, fiber cement, wood, brick, stone, stucco, composite. So which one is actually best for your home? In this video, I'll be breaking down 15 types of siding, and we'll compare cost, lifespan, and maintenance, along with durability and which climates the siding performs best in, so you can make a smart decision. What is siding and why does it matter? Siding is like the skin on the outside of your home. But it's not just about looks. First, it protects your home from weather. Rain, snow, UV rays, wind, and temperature swings. Second, it also affects your insulation and your energy efficiency. Some siding materials help reduce heat loss or help keep your home cooler. Third, it plays a huge role in curb appeal and resale value. Siding can completely change what your home looks like and how buyers view it. And finally, it also helps with moisture control. The wrong siding or poor insulation can actually trap water and lead to, unfortunately, mold, rot, and structural damage. So this particular decision really matters. When comparing siding, here's what really counts: your cost per square foot, your lifespan, your maintenance level, and if it's fire resistant, climate compatibility, and most important, your return on investment. Some materials are cheap upfront cost, but require constant upkeep. Others will cost more initially, but will last 50 years or longer. Let's go through the 15 most popular types of siding. I'm going to quickly cover the pros, cons, cost range, lifespan, and maintenance for each. Number one, everybody knows this one, vinyl siding. This is the most popular siding in America. The cost is typically affordable. The lifespan is roughly 20 to 40 years, and the maintenance is pretty low. The pros: inexpensive, low maintenance, in a wide variety of colors. The cons: it can crack in extreme cold and high heat. This is actually great for budget-conscious homeowners. Insulated vinyl siding. This is vinyl with built-in, it's muled together at the factory, insulation behind the siding. The cost is higher than standard vinyl. The lifespan is very similar, 20 to 40 years. And the maintenance is pretty low. The pros are better energy efficiency and durability. The cons are that it's more expensive than regular vinyl. Number three, wood clapboard siding. These are classic horizontal wood look boards. The cost is medium to high. The lifespan is 20 to 40 years with maintenance, and maintenance, unfortunately, is pretty high. The pros are it is beautiful and it's a timeless look you're gonna get. But the cons is the painting and it's the staining, it's all the work. And we all know this, the wood is gonna be vulnerable to rot, insects like termites, woodpeckers. Number four, wood shingles and shake. Wood shingles and shakes are often seen on coastal or cottage style homes. The cost, unfortunately, is medium to high. The lifespan is 30 plus years with maintenance, and the maintenance is high. The pros, it has a natural texture and charm. But the cons, here we go again. There's a lot of maintenance and it's expensive. Number five, engineered wood siding. This particular siding is made from wood fibers and, believe it or not, resin. The cost is mid-range, the lifespan's 20 to 30 years, maintenance is moderate. The pros are that it actually looks like real wood and it's more resistant to moisture and pests. But the cons, here we go again, it still requires painting. Number six, fiber cement siding. This is actually one of the fastest growing options. The cost is medium to high, the lifespan's roughly 30 to 50 years, and the maintenance is low to moderate. The pros are that it's extremely durable, fire resistant, and handles weather very well. The cons, unfortunately, for the installer are that it's very heavy and more expensive to install, but it's a very, very popular option for long-term durability. Number seven, aluminum siding. This is more common in older homes. The cost is mid-range, the lifespan is roughly 20 to 40 years, and maintenance is pretty low. The pros are that it's actually fire resistant and very lightweight, but the cons, unfortunately, are that it dents easily. Number eight, steel siding. This siding is stronger than aluminum. The cost is medium to high. The lifespan is 40 plus years. Maintenance is typically pretty low. The pros are that it's extremely durable and great for harsh climates. but the cons are that it can rust if not properly coated. Number 9, brick. Solid masonry is timeless and extremely durable. The cost is premium, but the life expectancy, believe it or not, can be from 75 to even over 100 years. Maintenance is pretty low. The pros are that it's fireproof and also weather resistant, and it provides an excellent resale value. The cons are that it's expensive upfront and it has to be done during construction. Number 10, brick veneer. This is a thinner decorative brick layer. The cost is high, but still less than solid brick, and the lifespan can be over 50 years. Maintenance is also low. The pros are that it's the same look as brick, but at a lower cost, and the cons are that it's not structural. Number 11, natural stone siding. This option is premium and also luxurious. The cost, unfortunately, is very high, but the lifespan can be over 100 years, and maintenance is very low. The pros are its stunning appearance and it's very durable. And the cons, unfortunately, are that it's one of the most expensive options. Number 12, manufactured stone veneer. This is a man-made stone look. The cost is high. The lifespan is roughly 30 to 50 years. And maintenance is pretty low. The pros are that it's lighter and more affordable than natural stone. And the cons are that it can show wear over time. Number 13, traditional stucco. This option is a cement-based exterior finish. The cost is medium to high. The lifespan can be over 50 years, and maintenance is moderate. The pros are that it's great for dry climates and it makes for a seamless look. But the cons, unfortunately, are that it can crack in colder regions. Number 14, EIFS, also known as synthetic stucco. This option is a layered system with insulation. The cost is medium to high, the lifespan is 25 to 40 years, and maintenance is moderate. The pros are that it's energy efficient, but the cons could possibly be moisture issues if it's improperly installed. And finally, number 15, composite or polymer siding. These are advanced engineered materials. The cost is medium to high, the lifespan is 30 to 50 years, and maintenance is low. The pros, it's resistant to moisture, fading, and insects. And the cons are that it's a higher upfront cost than vinyl. Here are the best types of siding based on the climate that you live in. In hot climates, fiber cement, stucco, and brick. In cold climates, insulated vinyl, engineered wood, and steel. In coastal areas, fiber cement, engineered wood, and vinyl. These are materials that resist salt and moisture. And in wildfire-prone areas, fiber cement, brick, and steel. High fire resistance is key. Let's talk about the best siding by budget. If you're looking for an option that's under $10 per square foot, go with vinyl siding. If you're in the mid-range market, you might choose engineered wood, aluminum, or fiber cement. And if you're going for a premium look, choose brick, natural stone, steel, or composite. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Here are some of your lowest maintenance options: vinyl, brick, fiber cement, and composite. If you're okay with a bit more moderate maintenance, go with engineered wood or stucco. And your highest maintenance option will be wood. If you don't want to paint every couple years, don't choose traditional wood for the skin of your home. Now let's compare the lifespans. Lower quality vinyl will last you about 10 to 20 years. For vinyl, engineered wood, and aluminum, you're looking about 20 to 40 years. If you'd like your siding to last over 50 years, choose fiber cement, brick, stucco, or steel. And if you want your siding to last over 100 years, go with stone or brick. Now I get this question a lot. Which types of siding increase home value the most? Brick, fiber cement, and stone tend to get the greatest return on investment. They're durable, attractive, and highly desirable to buyers. Vinyl actually offers a strong ROI too, especially considering its low cost. Now let's talk about the differences in energy efficiency. Insulated siding and EIFS also come with built-in insulation. Fiber cement and brick are durable, however, they require good insulation behind them. If energy efficiency matters, ask about the wall system as well, not just the siding material. So how do you choose the best siding for your home? Ask yourself these questions. What's your budget? How long do you plan on staying in the home? What climate do you live in? Does your HOA restrict materials? What architectural style are you working with? The best siding isn't just about price. It's about long-term performance, maintenance commitment, and how you want your home to look 10, 20, or 50 years from now. There's no single best type of siding. There's only the best option for your home, your climate, and your goals.